Alright, so this is 2025 where you don't need to learn how to code and also build a tool for yourself. In this video, we're going to do something different today. All you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to break this down for you and show you how it works and how you can get started. You can see right here, this is the dashboard, this is the product section, this is the store section, analytics, marketing, customer, and all of that. Okay, so how does this particular website work? You're going to simply generate a store for yourself. So when you generate this store, anybody that comes into your platform to buy anything, this website is responsible for delivery. So all you need to do is simply put out something here. So when you click the link in the video description, it's going to simply take you to this video section where you can easily see this video website, which allows you to sell digital downloads, courses, coaching, and more. Don't be afraid. Even if you don't know how to create any of this, I'm going to simply show you a simple tool that's going to simply help you generate a downloadable stuff that you can sell online, an online course, a coaching material, and all of that. Okay, and you can sell this on this very platform. You have to make sure you click on this get started for free. When you click on that, then it's going to simply take you to where you can input your details. Right, then here you can simply go ahead and add your first name. You can add your first name, your last name, your email address, and your password. Click on the create account button. Remember, when you create your account on the platform, they're going to simply send you an email, a verification code, where you can simply click on. When you click on that, your email will be verified. Then that will give you access to your account. All right, so when you create your account, then you're going to simply log into your account you've already created. On this platform, you can sell one particular product like multiple times. All right, once you are signed up, then the next thing you have to do is to create a product for yourself. All right, so this is going to be a digital product, not a physical product that is always running out of stock. All right, so we don't want a product that runs out of stock. That's why we have to go for digital product. But remember, before you get started, make sure you set up your account, add your account details, your payment method, and all of that. Okay, so after adding that, the next thing you have to do is to simply come over to this section to create your product. All right, click on this section that says create product. Click on this add new product. The next thing you have to do is to select the type of product you want to add. Right, we have digital product, we have courses, we have membership, we have physical product. All right, if you sell clothes, bags, shoes, and all of that, all those physical products that you can easily touch, you have to simply come over to this very section. Okay, but if you sell digital product like ebook, softwares, no code tool, no code app, this is where you belong. So all you need to do is simply pick the one that works for you. For this video, I'm going to simply show you how you can create a course for free with an AI tool. All right, so what I'm going to do is to simply click on this course section, add my course title here, and add course. All right, but I cannot add all of those things because I don't have a course yet. So I told you I'm going to show you how you can build and create your own course in few seconds. All right, so for you to get that, you have to simply head over to this video website, and these are the platforms that's going to simply help you generate a course for yourself. And you can easily go ahead and check out the link in the video description where you can simply see that. All right, and what you have to do is simply think about what people are searching for, or think about what you yourself can easily offer people. All right, so whatever thing you know how to do best, you just have to make sure you head over to this video section and add it here. And the reason why I want you to go for what you already know is when your users or your buyers ask you a question about that particular course, then you know what to tell them. All right, so for this video section, I'm going to simply show you how you can create a simple course, and all you need to do is simply add your course details here. Okay, for instance, this is the subject of your course. So let's say I want to teach you guys blogging because this has been making from blogging. All right, I have to simply come over to this section, then create a blogging course. Alright, so this is what I wrote here: how to start blogging and make money in 2025. Okay, so this is just my subject, and click on create course, and you have to simply log into your account. I'm going to log into my account, and you can see right here, new course. We have the quick one, the guide one, import file, and all of that. Okay, you can see this section that says quick. You provide a topic and the AI will do the rest of the job. Okay, this section that says guided, you provide a topic and AI will suggest an outline first and also generate the draft. And this section, you import a file, and this particular tool will turn it to a course for you. All right, so I'm going to simply go ahead and give it a topic. All right, then when I give it the topic, it's going to simply go ahead and generate the whole course for me, and this is the one I have to go for. Then I'm going to simply do the same thing here again, then click on this create course, then add it. Remember, I wanted to create a course on how to start blogging and make money in 2025. Okay, and it has to be accurate. And if you generate the course, since it is already what I know and what I do, if there is a mistake, I will know. All right, so that's why I told you to go for what you already know. All right, So while you're waiting, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Don't forget to join us on our Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel, and also more importantly, join us on our Patreon to get all the full content and also premium content about all of these things. All right, so let's wait for it. Okay, so you can see right here they said our course is ready. All right, so let's check it out. This is what it says here: how to start blogging in 2025, and this is cool, man. All right, so let's see, unlock the secret to successful blogging and monetization. Then I'm going to simply click on get started, and when I click on that, it's going to simply take me first to the first section. But I don't want to go to the first section. I want to read the overview. This is what the overview says: this course provides aspiring bloggers with the essential skills, blah blah blah, which is good. We have this first page, we have second page, third page, wrap up, and all of that. Okay, make sure everything is complete. So you can show why it is an ebook course. So what we have to do is simply go ahead and check it out. After checking it out and you're satisfied, then go ahead and download this. All right, go ahead and click on this download button. So when you come over to this section, you can easily download via PDF, you can download Bascom, via order. All right, after downloading the course, the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and log into your platform, which is this particular section where we are. We're going to simply import the course which we have already created, and I've already downloaded mine. All right, so I'm going to simply add the name of the course here. Okay, so how to start blogging and make money in 2025. All right, so click on this add course, add full course here. Alright, so we have full course, and the reason why we're adding full course because this is an ebook course. We are not going to split it into modules, right? And if you want me to make a video on how you can generate a video course, then comment video course on the comment section. If I see your comment, then I'm going to simply make a video about that. Right, so this is what we have now. I'm going to simply click on this. When you click on this, then it's going to simply take us to this very section. We're going to simply add, you can see the name here. I'm going to simply select the type of course we want to add. You can go for video course, test course, quiz course, download course, embed, and lot more. So let's click on this download course where they have to download an ebook. All right, go ahead and add the description of our course. All right, use DeepSeek for the description. All right, make sure your description is well detailed so that you can get people that will buy from you. All right, so let's say then click on send button. Go ahead and highlight this, then click on copy, then come back to your account, paste it here. Then from here, delete. All right, so scroll up a little bit, and another thing you have to do for me now is to make sure you add your blog website here, okay, so that people can use that opportunity to visit you. All right, so remember, if they can see your blog website, then it's going to give you that credibility, telling them that you already know what you're doing. All right, press the link here. Let's say you want to add it here, you just need to click on this insert link. Then you paste the link here, click on save. You can see it has been added, and that is how you continue to add any link of your choice right here, okay, so that you can use that opportunity to give traffic to your blog website. So right now I'm going to simply import the PDF already downloaded. So let's click on this upload file. It's loading. Then you're going to select this, which is the ebook. Click on open, and you have to allow it to load. All right, so it's already loading. So guys, if you're getting value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and also comment where you're watching from so I can make video that works best in your own camera. All right, so when you add that, then you have to simply go ahead and select your course settings. We have the download button here, and you have to simply go ahead and save the changes. And see, full course has been selected, and under full course, this is it. I'm going to simply go ahead to the settings, upload a thumbnail for this course. Okay, let's say I want to go with my image. You can see right here it's uploading. Automatically subscribe customers to mailing list, turn it on, then we can simply go ahead and save the changes from this very section. Okay, it has been saved. Then go to pricing, from this very section. If you click on this, then you have to simply add how much you're selling this. You can sell this for like $5, you can sell it for like $10. So you have to select the one you want. Okay, for me, I have to go for one-time payment, okay, where they don't have to pay anything again after getting the course. That's one-time payment, and I'm going to simply go for $10. All right, then click on add pricing. Then you have to simply add the name, then click on the add button. It's loading. All right, so the pricing plan has been added. You can see this is the pricing plan. This is the checkout section. Just copy this URL. If you're done with this, copy the URL. The URL has been copied. Then if you come over to this section, let's view it. All right, you can see right here you are logged in. You can see right here how to start blogging in 2025, and this is the course here. And on this section right here, people can easily make their payment from here. Remember, they can pay with credit card or PayPal. Okay, so if you click on this preview course right here, you can see the course here. And for them to download this course, they have to pay $10, all right, which we've already added, and this is going to simply help you. All right, so if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in my next video.